You've been flying your drone, you're safely landed. Now here is a quick checklist before you put it back in the bag. Turn off the drone, then turn off the controller. Inspect your drone for any damage. Cover your gimbal, pack your equipment, make sure your footage was captured. You're done. Take a second to crush the like button and subscribe to my channel. And that concludes all the checklists you should do before, during, and after you fly a drone. If you haven't seen the other videos, each one is a different checklist so that you're prepared while you're at home, before you take off, after you take off, and once you've landed. Be safe, have fun, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if there's anything missing in the checklist in the comments below. Have a beautiful day. See you around.